How to skew or slant text in Illustrator. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, use the type tool to add text. The shear tool does work with live text, so you don't have to create a text outline. Then choose the shear tool from the toolbar. You see an anchor point on the text. The default anchor point usually shows on the left bottom corner of the text. Then click on the artboard and drag it to any direction you want. And the text will rotate based on the skew anchor point. You can also change the position of anchor. Simply click where you want and you're good to go. Like this, you'll find settings as shown on picture. That's how to skew or slant text in Illustrator. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please